In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a bank statement in Zoho Books. This process is incredibly useful for keeping your financial records up to date and making your bookkeeping as smooth as possible. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the banking module within your Zoho Books account. To do this, head over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice various options listed there. Find the one that says Banking and go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a section dedicated to managing all your banking-related activities, which is where we want to be for this tutorial. Now, once you're in the banking module, the next step is selecting the bank account you'd like to import your statement into. If you have multiple accounts, take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one. This ensures that your transactions are uploaded to the right place and keeps your records organized and accurate. After selecting your bank account, you'll be taken to that account's detail page. Here you'll find a variety of options for managing your transactions. Your focus now should be on locating the Import Statement button. This is typically found in the top right corner of the page. Give that button a click and we'll move on to the next phase. Now comes the moment of truth, uploading your bank statement file. You'll see an option that says Choose File. Click on that and a window will pop up, allowing you to select the file from your computer. Zoho Books is pretty flexible in terms of file formats, supporting a variety such as CSV, TSV, XLS, OFX, QIF, CAMT 053, and CAMT 054. Before you upload, just double-check that your file is in one of these formats to avoid any hiccups. Once you've selected your file, the upload process will begin. Depending on the size of your statement, this could take a few seconds to a minute. Uploading your bank statement is a critical step to ensure that all your transactions are correctly imported into Zoho Books, giving you a clear and comprehensive view of your financial activity. And that's it. Once the file is uploaded, Zoho Books will handle the integration, providing you with accurate and up-to-date records. This will not only help in maintaining accurate financial records, but also makes it easier to reconcile your bank statements with Zoho Books. Always remember to periodically check back for any updates or error notifications to ensure everything runs smoothly. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial. Hopefully you found this guide on uploading your bank statements into Zoho Books both clear and helpful. Stay organized and make sure to keep your financial data as current as possible. See you next time for more useful tips and tutorials.